We don't need stories of supernatural experiences told or written by superstar saints. You don't need it. Somebody recently gave me a book about heaven. I told the person, I said, I will not read it, so don't give it to me. I will not even collect it. The woman was embarrassed. But I cannot be polite to collect what I will not read. I can never be thrilled by the vision of heaven, because if you listen to their stories, their so-called vision, you will see variation from what we have in the scriptures. So we don't need it. If you are fond of listening to message, I saw heaven, I saw this, I saw that, they are misleading. The Bible is enough for us. If it is not enough, then the Holy Spirit, through that angel, will not seal the Bible. The Bible is a sealed book. So we don't need stories of supernatural experiences told or written by superstar saints in our contemporary time.